Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a monthly planner in Notion step by step in 2026 so you can organize your month efficiently, track goals, and stay on top of tasks. A monthly planner is perfect if you want a bigger picture view of your time. It helps you see deadlines, events, and important projects all in one place. Let's start inside your Notion workspace. Create a new page and name it something like Monthly Planner or Month Overview. This page will act as your main hub for the month. At the top, you can add a clean icon and cover image. Minimal visuals or soft colors work best, keeping the page inviting but not cluttered. Next, create a section called Monthly Goals or Focus for the Month. Write down your key priorities, important projects, or big events. This section gives you clarity on what really matters for the month ahead. Now, create a calendar view for your month. If you already have a tasks database, insert a linked database and switch to calendar view. Filter it to show only tasks for the current month. This way, you can see everything at a glance: appointments, deadlines, and recurring tasks. You can also add sections for notes or ideas, use toggle blocks or text blocks to jot down thoughts, inspiration, or reminders for the month. Keeping them here makes it easy to capture everything in one place. Another great addition is a habits or routines tracker. Create a simple table or checklist for daily or weekly habits like exercise, journaling, or learning. Tracking it monthly helps you maintain consistency. Templates are very useful here. Once you set up one monthly planner page, save it as a template. Each new month, you can duplicate it and start fresh without rebuilding the structure. Finally, review your monthly planner at the end of the month. Mark completed tasks, reflect on achievements, and plan for the next month. This habit keeps your system actionable and motivating, and that's how to set up a monthly planner in Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more full Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.